That's another clump of fur that's come off. Yes. Okay, I need to do the other side now, okay? Look at all that fur, Dio. That's all from you. All of this. Look at all this fur. All of that. That is all out of you, Bubba. That is so much fur coming out of you. You need to let us brush you, Bubba. Come on. Come on. Yes, I know. It's just the worst. The absolute worst. So much fur. No, just very hairy. Let's get this fur. You're on your underside now. Get that underside. Yes. Is that loose or just disheveled? That is disheveled. Okay. Yes. Come here. Up we go. Come on. Alright. We'll do the underside after. Let me get it. Now I gotta wipe the other side so I can shampoo it, okay? Alright, now let me shampoo your other side. Alright. There we go. There we go. Yes. 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 I know. It's just the worst, isn't it? We've got to do this a couple times a year. It's either this or you get shaved, and, well, I guess you don't mind the shaving as much, but we try not to do that, you know? We try not to do that if we can help it, you know? Yeah. Otherwise you just look like a sad, risen milf. Unbaked risen milf. Yes, so, come here. Come here. No. No, I'm sorry, but you can't go. You have to stay here, Papa. Yeah. Yes. I know.
Your son tried to kill me.
He does that. He's been reading that poster too many times. There we go. Yes, I know. I've gotta give the hindquarters some love too, even if you don't want me to. I know. I gotta get the belly. Come on. I know. Alright. No. We don't do the bites. Bubba. Oh, look at all this fur on my hand. Look at this. That is all fur from you, Bubba. Make sure the water is at a good temperature. Okay. Alright. you over a bit, make this a little bit easier, so I can use 2 hands. Alright. So go ahead and rub up against that if you want. Let me see. Hold on. Scooch over. Come on, we gotta get you under the water, Bubba. There we go. Come on. Yes, you can go ahead and lick the water off of me. Oh, Bubba, no, don't put... Careful! The stream of water is right there, little boy. Silly boy. And then we gotta do the flea shampoo once we get all the loose fur out. Yes. It's that time of year. Yes, it is, because even though you're indoor cats, the fleas all find their way in. Yes. Yes. Okay, let's see. What are we doing? Still getting so much loose fur off your back. Yes. 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 Alright, let's see. Okay, we're getting less. Well, I think we're getting enough off that the flea shampoo will probably get any last of the major parts. Yeah. We do need to get your belly rinsed though. So, alright. Oh, the towel. Alright. Come on. Come up. Sorry. Got some of your loose hairs in there. You can see the dark hairs down there. Chest is clean. Help you clean your legs, okay. Alright, we got that. Now we gotta do the flea shampoo. First things first, let's put a ring around your neck so we don't have any escapees trying to go up to your face. Alright. Alright. There we go. You look like such a poor, sad little creature. Okay, there we go. Neck done. Alright, now let's do the rest of your body. A little bit at a time. There we go. Nice and massaged. When you get to be Tommy's age, you really appreciate these massages, I bet. Yeah. Yes. Nice scratches. Get it all massaged out in there, yeah. Yeah. Alright. Alright, stick it down. Get your shoulders. Yes. There we go. And in a couple days, you'll get your flea drops when you're actually due. Yeah. I know. I know, you're probably thinking, why don't the others have to go through all this? It's because they don't have such thick hair. And it's also because they bathe themselves properly. Unlike you, Mr. Boy. Yes. Yes. Alright. Next, this soap. Okay, go down to this side. Yes. I do wish I had my glove. I'll have to make sure I find that for next time. And I do this in a few months. Your autumnal bath. not trying to make this last any longer than it needs to, Bubba. I promise you. I promise. Let's see. Make sure I get it down, though. Because the flea shampoo doesn't do much good if it doesn't get down to your skin where those little possible fleas are, you know? Okay. Yes. Alright, one-handed. Actually, two-handed. I can do a little bit because I don't have enough quite to reach the base of your tail. There we go. And I've actually got to get your tail. I know. I'm no. I know that I'm touching the no-no area. I know you don't like this area touched. But it's gotta be done. It's gotta be done, Papa. I know, I'm trying to be gentle and I'm trying to be quick, I promise. Ooh, that's a big old clump of hair I got right there. Yeah. Alright, give me your tail. I know. Trying to be quick. Yes. Oh my goodness, I realized I forgot to actually shampoo your tail, so we're gonna get a lot of loose fur off of that, I think. Either that, or it collected a bunch of the loose fur I washed off. Either way, it was a bit. Shh, it's okay. It's okay. I'm trying to be quick and gentle, I promise. I promise. Theo? Let go. Thank you. It's okay. Okay? It's okay. Alright. Here. Let me do this. Okay? Let me do this. I'll put a little more shampoo than I need on your tail, so I don't need to rub quite as deep. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. See? I know. It's okay. It's okay. See? Gentle. Gentle rubs. It's okay. It's okay. Alright. Alright, we're gonna just let the shampoo sit, okay? We'll let the shampoo sit there. Flea shampoo is nice and thin, so I just let it go ahead and sink in since your tail is nice and saturated anyway. We'll let it do its work on its own. Alright, I'm done with your tail for now. And I'll do what I can to give it a nice, quick, and thorough rinse when I'm done with everything else. I know. You are done being messed with. You are so over. Sir, I know you are thoroughly over this. I'm trying to be quick, but you've got a lot of fur. Okay? You've got a lot of fur. I know. Don't worry, there is a whole tube of churro waiting for you. I promise. I'm gonna give you the whole tube in your bowl. Okay? You've earned it. More than earned it. Alright. It's okay. It's okay. Try. See, I am so gentle. See? I know. It's okay. Now I've got to go down. Alright. I'm gonna have to get your belly too. It's okay. There we go. Okay. Alright, let's slick this down because we do need to let this sit for a little bit. Are you gonna let me do your legs? We don't want those to become infestation zones. Let me see. Is that not, is that a bug or is that, nope, that is just one of your marks on your belly. So, I'm just going to do a little quick. So, I don't think you're the one. Oops, sorry. Excuse you. Careful with your tail, Bubba. You've got lots of soap on it. I don't think we need to do too thorough and heavy. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Uh-huh. Patience. I know, patience is not in the cat lexicon. It's okay. I know. On the plus side, oh, careful. Careful with that paw. Alright, come on. I will not do your legs, okay? Come on. Let me get the water. Okay. On your paws. Let's go down. Alright, we gotta get the shampoo off of you. Let's start up at the top where we've just been on the longest, okay? Alright, come on. You can't leave the sink until the shampoo is off. There we go. There we go. There we go. See? This isn't so bad now, is it? Alright. Now you're calming down. Oh, that's not so bad, is it? Yeah. There you go. Get your tail. You know, I left the soap on there and I didn't get to rub that in. So I've got to be very thorough getting it all cleaned off. There we go. Now I'm going to have to touch it though to make sure that it's not slick. Okay. On the plus side, flea shampoo seems to clean out a lot easier than regular. Yes, I know, I had to touch it. I had to check. I had to check to see if it came out. Your neck. You gotta get the flea shampoo off your neck now. There we go. There we are. Alright. Let's see. How's the underside of your neck? And you gotta get the underside of your neck too, Bubba. There we go. There, okay. And now for this side. Right. Good. Okay, now we gotta do the belly again, okay? Come here. I know. Alright, turn around. There we go. Alright, come here. Up. And up we go. Oh, careful. I know. Come here. I need to get your belly. Let me get your belly. I know, this faucet doesn't really work well for this, I know. Come here. Alright. Up. And up we go. Alright. Up. There we go. Whoop, we got a little dead flea. We got a flea trying to breathe. Flea. Alright, let's see if we can get that out of your fur. Down. Here we go. Reassess. Let's see. Oh, you're still a little bit soaky on the underside, Bubba. Alright, come on. I'm sorry. Up we go. I know. Okay. Okay. All right, there we go. Okay. Okay, we'll use this towel to get you mostly dry. Yeah. All right. Here we go. And then we'll get you into the other towel. Yeah. 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 All right. No, hang on. Bubba, I'm not going to let you go till I get most of the water off of you. Your thick fur is so thick that it's just better this way. Yeah. There we go. I know I'm touching your tail. I know, I'm sorry. Alright. Theo, biting is not how we solve problems. Alright, come here. Let me get your underside real quick. I know. I'm just the worst, aren't I? Alright, come here. Okay. Alright, let me get your regular towel. Oh, come here. Alright, come here. Alright, and up we go. Isn't that right? You'll be so much happier now without all that fur coming out in clumps across the house.